Hi, my name is Sean Fortner. I'm a design engineer here at Carbon. Today I'm going to show you a bit about the design engine. First, we'll start by looking at the dashboard. This is where you start looking at all the projects that you can create. Here is, on the top, some information about starting your files, looking at solid models, offsets, and orientation to begin with. There's lots of information here on designing with lattices and workflow tips and tricks, and of course more in the Carbon Academy. In the main body you can see a list of projects where you can select and edit an existing project or duplicate an existing project. On the left you can filter by username and material selected. You also have the ability to search for designs just based on the keyword there. To create a new project, click Create New Design. At the top, you can name your project. This is useful for finding your project later on if you want to edit it. Next, select a material. Down below is model units, millimeters or inches. Today I'll stick with inches. And you can drag and drop your STL file or group of files into this box here. Alternatively, you can select one of those standard parts from the drop-down. Once you've selected your parts, you can click Create. And now you can see the project is loaded into the UI with your input meshes there, ready to start latticing.